Hey guys, we received this ENJOYVO 20V cordless heat gun for test and try. So goes for 122 to 1022 degree Fahrenheit and variable temperature with the auto cool and a backlit LCD. So it's a nice ceramic core with a 5 nozzles and a carry bag. So it's a really nice, and you can see like you can adjust the temperature, and you can also adjust the settings, and it's really nice and hot. So these are nice safety features that you have to see to get it work. So comes in this nice box, and let me just open up. So I really like when the things comes in this type of carry box, because the tools, you can just put the things here and there, and these boxes or storage are really helpful in putting the things in place, and all at once. So really nice carry box, and nice the battery pack, the charger, like the adapter, and this is the battery pack. So goes in here, and then you can charge. So it's a safety features, but right now this battery is not charged, so I have to charge this battery before showing the demo. So I have a 20 volt 2.5 ampere battery, which is really nice with wrapping or anything that you can use. So it's a charger, and these are the attachments. So different attachments that you can use. So it's great for the wrapping, or your painting need or any hot gun requirement. So these are the accessories with all the different stuff, and I'm just putting it for the charging. You can put with or without the tool. So once charge, I just do like a partial charge, but once charge, at least I have one green, and you can just easily do. So there is an indicator that you can see for the charging, and then for the use. So I have the 5 nozzle, carry bag, charger, and the battery, and this is how it gets started with this safety feature thing, and then you can easily adjust and use it the way you want. So very nice heat gun, and nice box, and safety lock, uh, the 5 nozzles, and nice overall with all the attachments. But be cautious, like the front will be hot while changing the accessories or the nozzle.